Welcome back to the Matrix. It's your boy Ski. I want to thank you for tuning in to today's daily market news and analysis. Shout out to the A train. The tracks are being laid and we're about to roll through. All right. Our top story is crypto exchange blockchain.com faces a $270 million hit off of Three Arrows Capital's insolvency. This is pretty crazy. But blockchain.com was actually purchased on the low by FTX at 27 million. So that's pretty crazy. It seems like this was almost $1 billion evaluation, blockchain.com, like not even a year ago, and then they just got bought for 27 mil. Like, that is wild. All right. And on a positive note, the job growth remains historically strong. So according to this, we have added 327,000 jobs. No, I'm sorry, 372,000 jobs in the last month. However, we have not reclaimed the 2020 pre-pandemic levels on job growth. So this job growth, like, sort of narrative is kind of a little deceiving, if you ask me. All right. Tether. No losses was recorded in the Celsius liquidation. They liquidated Celsius in a way that would not harm the market anymore. This seems pretty centralized to me. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. Now, if you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead and follow your boy on Twitter, Gajewskey. All right. Now, I tweeted this. You guys should take a look about it. But 9 years ago, Pantera Capital launched the first cryptocurrency fund in the United States. And that fund is up over 27,000%. That is absolutely, positively wild. Just take a look at some of their foresight. Like, Bitcoin was at like $65 at the time. The fear and greed index is at a 20, which is still extreme fear. But we were sitting down there at around, 8, 7 at like not even a few weeks ago. So who knows? Maybe the local bottom is in. My sentiment is still like we're going to go sideways and up until the end of Shemitah, and then something's going to happen and we're going to fall major. But in my opinion, it's still a great time to be accumulating with the intent of holding for 2 or 3 years. Now, the market is sort of having a little bit of a pullback, minus Quant. Like, you guys need to check out Quant. Quant is just pumping to oblivion. And the more I learn about Quant, the more I'm like, holy cow. There are less supply of Quant than there are of Bitcoin. There's 14 million total supply. There's 12 million in circulation. So there's less supply. And like, why is this not even starred? There's less supply of Quant than there is of Bitcoin, and it does way more. Like, it is with the government elites. Like, this is, like, if you don't think with a third less supply that this can't go to 10,000, okay. The total market cap, I believe we peaked, so we're under it now, but yesterday we actually peaked over 1 trillion again, so that's kind of wild. Bitcoin sitting at it right around 21,000, Ethereum at 1,200. Like I said, I think like Tether has still not reclaimed its peg, which is kind of weird, man. Honestly, it's pretty weird. Now, the charts, it looks like the DXY has sort of found a little bit of resistance still. Not much new on the charts. Nothing too crazy. Bitcoin is touching the 200-week moving average. So this is likely resistance, but if it can poke through here, that could be very bullish, at least until the near future. Ethereum is on top of it, so that is good news. We want to see it above this right here, because if it rejects off of this, which, you know, if it rejects off of this, then that's very bearish, and that's not good. Now, let's see. All right, so let me just do this. Hold on. There we go. All right. So I just want to give you guys a quick little lesson on Satoshis. So this is how much 100 US dollars will get you. It will get you currently 46 Satoshis. Now, the very interesting thing about Satoshis, so there are 7 total digits, and this is the last one. If you have, say this was 41, this 1 would equal 1 Satoshi. This is 46 Satoshis, and the interesting thing is there are 7 total digits, so if you have 1 million Satoshis, that equals 1 Bitcoin. And eventually, in my opinion, sooner or later, whether it's on the next bull run, the next bull run after that, or the next bull run after that, I think the latest it would be 2032, 1 decade from now, Bitcoin's going to be $1 million sooner or later, because both Republicans and Democrats, they print the US dollar to oblivion. So that money has to go somewhere. So eventually, Bitcoin is going to be $1 million per coin, and that means that 1 Satoshi will equal $1. And I think that that is kind of cool. But that's it for this time. I appreciate you. Peace, love, prosperity. Subscribe to the channel. If you want exclusive content, go ahead and subscribe to the Patreon. Link in the description. I'm trying to add 10x the value of what the subscription price will be, including free books, strategies, my portfolio, much, much more. So that's it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. I'm out.
Damn, hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.